Hey guys, Aiden here today, and just catching up, harvesting some farms. Looks like they beat the Ender Dragon. People got elytra already, so boy are we behind. Today we're gonna try and start mining, getting some more diamonds, getting a gear set, and maybe we'll even go in nether and try and get some netherite. But just trying to get our set of our Fortune 3, Efficiency 4, and we have no XP farm, so we're going to have to just use, quartz to get all of that XP. So, just been harvesting the farms, just trying to get a good amount of each item. We don't need too much, especially like beetroot and stuff, we don't need too much of that, but I just want to have it as an option. So, also, we don't really need too much of the reeds and the leather, since we have like infinite books now. But yeah, we do have a lot of cows though, and not a lot of food, so we'll do a quick harvest. Well, the piglins and ghasts just took me out, but we did make it to level 30, so okay. That's interesting. Alright, so yeah, we do have enough to enchant some stuff up. And we did get a bit of quartz, a little bit, just a bit, and a bunch of gold, so we'll fortune all that up later. Just clear my inventory. It's already getting really full, just super annoying. Yeah, that's how it goes. Okay, let's enchant. So, do I have the other pick on me? Lapis. Alright. So I'm pretty sure this should be, yeah, Fortune 2. And that's it. Okay. That's really annoying. I thought we were going to get something else, at least unbreaking. But that's okay, because we got a book with Fortune 2, zombies, and an anvil right here. Any cheaper? Nope. Okay, whatever. So there we go, Fortune 3. So I'm gonna go mine a bunch, quartz, diamonds, just strip mining and nether hunting, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so, we looted up, we got a bunch, only 52 diamonds. I was trying to go for the whole stack, but, only made it out with 52. We got a ton of stone, which is great. Really wore down our silk touch pickaxe. Bunch of the other random stuff, and a ton of ores that haven't been processed at all, so, we're gonna make a giant pillar out of them, and, dig it all up. Like, look at this, look at all that lapis, look at all that redstone. So much coal, too. I didn't even take all the coal, and a surprising amount of iron, actually. Not too much gold, though. See, more lapis. But 52 diamonds, that's good enough of a start. So far, we've gotten about a stack, so I'm pleased with that. But, oh yeah, we also got this other stack of iron. So, we are keeping our iron, level in check. It's, well, once that smelts, it'll be almost 9 stacks, which is pretty good. So 57 diamonds in there. Yeah, let's mine this all up. Look at this. It's crazy. So tall. Just gonna put a little block up here like that. Get some torches. Because, you never know if we'll ever be up here again. So it'd be nice to leave a little present. This is crazy. So we're going to do the coal first. I put a little bit of lapis. Hopefully we don't fall off here. And this is probably going to wreck my my fortune pick. So I always do it like this. I always, just to save inventory space, I always silk the ores. and then I just make a giant pillar and mine them up, or just make like a cube or something. And this way it saves your inventory space a ton, because if one coal turned into every 3 blocks, you could have a stack of coal or turn that into 3 stacks of coal. So I'm just gonna mine this all up. I don't think you want to watch. It's gonna take a while. Man, was that a lot of coal? That sure took a while. And we're over 30 levels, so hopefully we can get to 33 and do 2 pick and chance or something. Let's, oh my goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 13 stacks of coal. You know where that's going. That's going in the furnaces. We do not want to be dealing with all of this. That would take up too much space. Let's do the redstone next, and the, yeah, look at how much iron we're getting. We're getting so much iron. Redstone in the lab. We're at 240, and the little thing's way all the way up there. Beautiful sunset. There's the moon. Yeah, let's take this down. It's not too much lapis. Most of it is redstone, but we'll do the lapis first. I'll just let you see on that. And look at how fast the levels rise. Oh yeah, for sure we're gonna be at 33. We gotta be. Already at 31. Already at 3 stacks of lapis. This lapis stuff, it just multiplies like crazy. But it's kind of a rare ore, you know. I think it's actually more rare than diamonds sometimes. But you just get so much of it that it's, it seems like it's common. Bunch of zombies waiting to greet me down here, and my inventory just completely filled up. And I'm space in there. What are they doing? Go around. Oh, I'm sorry if this is super loud. Oh shoot. Got him. Okay, let's see how much we got. We don't even have enough storage to fill it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 stacks of lapis. And more zombies. There's a lot of mobs spawning. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 stacks of redstone. So we're doing pretty good. Let's put some coal there. I think we're set for a pretty long time. I'm gonna watch out for mobs. That should keep us well for a pretty long time. Oh my goodness, so close. There we go, 34 levels. I just wanted to get 34 in case there's like a 1 level enchant we need to block off. But yeah, we got all this, the levels, the lapis, diamonds. Let's do a pick enchant. We're gonna try to get a super pick here. Let's do 2 pick enchants. There's Silk Touch, really? Oh. Okay, well. Okay, I guess let's do well, let's just do one of these then. Let's do 1 level enchant, unbreaking. Yeah, unbreaking. Unbreaking 3, seriously? Well, we need that on. Yes, there we go. Super pick right there. Perfect. Let's see what the sword enchant is. I wonder if the swords go fire aspects already have that. Okay. Alright, we'll do another pick enchant. Let's make boots. We got plenty of diamonds. Got enough. If we get feather falling. Protection 3. Okay, that's good. Let's get protection. Man, this is a tough choice. Let's see what the next pick will get. Because I do really want to get those, both efficiency 4 at least. It's Silk Touch. Okay, let me see. Is it different for... Why is it only showing 28 levels? Man, we're eating out them diamonds. Yeah, it's also Silk Touch. Okay, we'll do the... Okay, so should we do protection or feather falling? Like, I feel like you just do feather falling because it's... Oh, shoot. Okay, we'll do protection. It's kind of rare to get protection, but it's also really important. Alright, so we got our first piece of diamond armor. We could totally make a full set, but I think we're going to go for an enchanting table before we... not... Bro. I think we're gonna go for a get an XP farm before we can do that. So let's. I don't know how long is this episode. I'm gonna go check the time, but I think we're gonna try and get a good XP farm. Last season I did the gold farm. That doesn't work anymore. A lot of stuff has changed. So I think we'll probably try and do... Ooh, we got a spider jockey. We'll try and do some sort of mob trap or something. There's just so many mobs spawning. It's awesome. I don't know if that's the game or we usually do... Oh, shoot. We usually do change the game mechanics a little bit so that we can get more spawns. So it might just be that. So I don't know. I'll check. I'll see what good XP farms there are. So I just did a quartz run, got a bit of gold. Let's see how much gold we actually got. A bunch of quartz too. And all these quartz runs, they're all just for XP. Don't care about the quartz yet. Soon we will be building with quartz, but probably not for a while. Let's see. Seriously, that ore chest is getting so full. I'm gonna have to separate it into groups. Where did I get this ore from? Okay, so. We're at 33 levels, got a few more diamonds too as well, so we just over a stack. Let's do another pick enchant, maybe a sword too. We're just trying to get those 2 super picks. Okay, unbreaking 3, that's good. Oh yeah. There we go, that's our next super pick. Okay, I guess we could do, let's do a helmet. Well, let's make a helmet and see if it's good. If not, we'll do a sword. Thorns, okay. Seriously, is that it? That's it? Yeah, that's terrible. That's terrible. So, I already got unbreaking 3 on the sword. Really? Okay, well. Let's do a shovel then. Could use a shovel, I've been running through those a bit. Unbreaking 3, whatever. And that's it. Great. Alright. Let's get this XP farm. But yeah, so we are getting our tool set together, wasting a bunch of diamonds. I'm not gonna put that helmet on until it's enchanted. But seriously, we are really going pretty fast here. So I think we can take a trip to the end and check out what's there. Maybe try and go for an elytra. But I would like to get my armor, like, decent first. Of course, we'd go there for the armor, but I want to get, like, a good set of protection 4, or at least protection 3, and some feather falling on those boots. Do another enchant here. Protection 3, nice. And the chest plate there. We really need to get some unbreakings on here though, or else we're gonna get wrecked. I figured out a good XP farm. Well, it's not really fast, but it is it gets you the XP, and it's AFK long one. Apparently, smokers, like the furnaces, they store the XP when you smoke stuff, and you can smoke kelp. So, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna make a 0-tick kelp farm, smoke all that through the smoker, and it basically will store all the XP. Alright, I got a feather falling 4 book for our boots, traded it to Xenon traded it to him for a stack of steak, and we also got some kelp, so we're gonna build this thing now. It'd be cool if I could figure out I could do this like tutorial quality, but kind of just making it up as I go. Okay, so let's see, we got blocks there like this, and then we'll put one more over here, and we're gonna just make a little redstone really fast clock real quick. So let's see, what was it? I think it was a torch there, repeater there facing the way, and yep, there we go. Okay, so there's our clock. Okay, then let's see, we're gonna run redstone up. So looks like it's half slab here, and trying to watch a tutorial on the actual redstone part of it right now. I think we're gonna make a torch chain going up like this. Torch here, and another torch on top, and then a block there. Just making a chain to go up. Sorry guys, I couldn't figure out how to get this zero tick farm to work. I don't know what's the deal. I built it in creative and it worked perfectly. Tried to build it in here and it just seems like it doesn't work. I'll probably figure it out because we're gonna need some zero tick farms later. But then while I was building it, the second I left to go down to this part, mobs were just spawning like right here, just instantly because it was dark out. So now I'm thinking if the mob spawn rate is this high, that we can like, I could finally make like a full like a four different kinds of mob farm. So that's what we're gonna do in the next episode. We're gonna try and build like a giant, huge, ugly mob farm in the sky, and if it works, that'll be our XP farm. Anyways, thanks for watching this short one, and I'll see you in the next episode.